Hi and welcome to another video by Jim the Car Guy. Today I'm going to show you a very simple job, how to change the windshield wipers on the back window. 2010, it's a Infiniti, it's an EX35. It's fairly easy. What you got to do is you're going to take that, you're going to look at it, you're going to realize that you can't get this wiper blade off. Turn it down a little bit so you can see. You can't get this wiper blade off of the car here. What you need to do is you need to take this cover off right here to gain access to it. So let me just show you how to go about doing that. You just take this cover here. What you do is take this little cover here, you put your fingers underneath it, and you lift it up and off just like that. And this screw here, you can take that screw out. You can either use a ratchet or you can use a wrench. You just break this loose, hold the blade, break it loose, and you can take it off like this. And then you just rock this back and forth a little bit, it comes right off. Now keep in mind where the blade is actually located here, because you're going to need to put it back on that way, like this. And now you take the blade, you turn it, and it comes right off just like that. So let's grab the new blade and we're going to put this back together. Now remember, the way it came off, you have these little pieces inside here. Very important that you know where they go. All right, so let's grab the new blade and we'll put it back together. Okay, then we take our new blade, we take this piece here, put it over the blade like this, and you just push it in. You'll hear it snap in place. And you turn it down, and that's it. The blade is now on the way it's supposed to be. And the way you put it back on is put it on like this, put it back into its location where it was. Screw on your nut. And you're not going to make this very tight because you don't want to break it off. Alright, we just snug this down. Like that. Take our plastic cover, put it back over the top like this. And that's it. Alright? Rear wiper's done. So that's it. As you can see, putting the wiper blades on is a fairly easy job that anybody can do. So that's it. You're all done. All right, let's get this car out of here and we're on to the next one. All right, as always, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.